Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to set up and take down the Mouflon tent, step by step. Let's get started. The Mouflon can be set up with or without pegs. In this video, we'll show the peg-free setup. Lay out the tent and choose the door position. Unzip the door and sit inside the tent. Thanks to the pull-to-open system, setup takes just seconds. Push the center section outward on one side, then do the same on the other. The Mouflon is up. We'll show it again from another angle. Time to pack down. Push the tent inward, it folds by itself. Repeat on the other side. Fold the corners together and place everything in the carry bag. Your Mouflon is packed and ready for the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!